everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, this is Joy F. Faro from Batalod HA1E, and I am so excited to share this topic, ICT software, types and applications, with you today. So let's get started. So first, what is software and why is it important in ICT? Software is a set of instructions, data, or program that tell a computer how to perform a specific task. It's an intangible part of a computer system. In contrast to the physical hardware components, think of it as the brain that tells the hardware what to do. Next, how does software act as a bridge between hardware and users? Software acts as a crucial intermediary between the users and the computer's hardware. Think of it as a translator. You, the users, provide input through devices like a keyboard or mouse. The software interprets this action, translating them into instruction the hardware understands. The hardware then executes this instruction and the software translates the result back into a form you can comprehend: text on a screen, images, sounds, or etc. Without software, the powerful capabilities of the hardware would be inaccessible to the average of users. What is system software and how does it help in managing computer hardware? System software forms a base layer of a computer system. Its primary function is to manage and control the hardware resources. Can you give example of system software and explain their function? So, my example is all about device drivers. These are small programs that allows the OS to communicate with specific hardware devices like printers, graphics card, or etc. Application software and how does it differ from system software? Application software is designed to perform specific tasks for users, unlike system software, which manages the hardware. Application software relies on the system software to function. Example include a processor, web browser, photo editor, and games. The key difference is the application software directly addresses user needs, whereas system software provide the underlying infrastructure. What are some examples of applications software you use daily and how do they help you? I use a variety of application software daily, like web browser for accessing information and communicating online, and also a calendar app for scheduling and managing appointments, Note for organizing information and ideas, and also an email for communication. These applications significantly improve my productivity and efficiency. Why is software essential for different industries and how can it be customized for specific needs? Software is essential for virtually every industry. It's used for healthcare, finance, manufacturing, retail, education, and software can be customized to meet the specific needs of each industry through programming and development. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye bye.